Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that touches many lives. Addiction that touches many lives. Specifically, we're focusing on the journey to quit smoking. It's a challenging road, but with the right tools and determination, it's absolutely achievable. So let's dive into how to identify triggers, stay motivated, and reach the goal of a smoke-free life. Step 1. Understanding addiction. Addiction is more than a habit. It's a complex condition that can consume an individual's life. It often involves a cycle where the need for a substance dictates one's actions and decisions. Let's explore this cycle and understand how it can be broken. Step 2. Identifying triggers. Today, we'll look at common triggers and share strategies to manage them effectively, helping you stay on track with your goals. Triggers are the catalysts for addictive behavior. They can be anything from a stressful day at work to social pressures. Step 3. Staying self-motivated. The path to quitting smoking is a personal journey, and self-motivation is key. We'll discuss setting realistic goals, building a support system, and using positive self-talk and visualization to keep your motivation high. Step 4. Reaching the goal of quitting. Quitting smoking is a process, and it starts with a plan. We'll outline steps including setting a quit date, seeking professional help, and finding healthier habits to replace smoking. Remember, every step forward is a victory for your health and well-being. Step 5. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, and prescription medications, NRT, can be a powerful ally in reducing withdrawal symptoms and cravings. We'll also discuss how certain prescription medications can assist in your journey by targeting the brain's nicotine receptors. Step 6. Support groups. You're not alone in this fight. Support groups and counseling can provide the community and professional guidance you need. We'll highlight the benefits of these resources and how they can be a part of your success story. Step 7. Healthy lifestyle choices. A healthy lifestyle is a cornerstone of quitting smoking. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and proper sleep can all play a role in easing the process. We'll encourage you to embrace these choices to aid in your cessation efforts. Step 8. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can be invaluable tools. They help manage cravings and reduce stress, promoting mental clarity and emotional stability as you break free from smoking. Promoting mental clarity and emotional stability as you break free from smoking. Step 9. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help individuals quit smoking by creating mental images of a smoke-free life. Visualization, or mental imagery, is more than just a daydream. It's a focused exercise where you picture yourself achieving a specific goal. For quitting smoking, it means seeing yourself as a happy non-smoker. It means seeing yourself as a happy non-smoker. Here are some examples of Smoker 1 and 2. Example, Smoker 1. I used to smoke a pack a day. Visualization helped me imagine a life without cigarettes, and now I'm 3 years smoke-free. Example, Smoker 2. Every time I craved a cigarette, I visualized my lungs healing, and that made all the difference. Here's how you can start using visualization to quit smoking. Create a detailed mental image. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and picture yourself successfully resisting the urge to smoke. Use visualization daily. Practice this exercise every day to strengthen the mental image. Incorporate all senses. Make your visualization vivid by including what you see, hear, smell, and feel. Positive reinforcement. Visualize the benefits of not smoking, like better health and more energy. Overcome challenges. Mentally rehearse handling cravings and refusing cigarettes with confidence. Step 10. Now we will understand science of nicotine. Science of nicotine. Nicotine is a natural compound found in tobacco. It's the substance that makes smoking addictive. But how? When you inhale smoke, nicotine rushes to your brain, releasing a chemical called dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. This dopamine release is what gives smokers a temporary high. It's a reward signal that your brain loves, making you want to repeat the behavior. Over time, your brain starts to expect these dopamine hits, leading to addiction. But it's not just about the highs. Nicotine withdrawal can cause irritability, anxiety, and cravings, making it tough to quit. That's why nicotine is considered a neurological disorder, impacting the brain's reward center. Thankfully, there are ways to combat nicotine addiction. Medications like varenicline can help by reducing cravings and the pleasurable effects of smoking. And let's not forget the power of counseling and support groups. Quitting smoking is a journey, and understanding nicotine addiction is the first step. There's a community here for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on recovery. Together we can overcome addiction. Share and subscribe for more. Don't forget to like,